You want your friends to be thinking, wow, I'm friends with this girl. Yeah. Oh, God. Hey there, fashion friends. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode, which is one that has been requested actually quite a bit. So I'm finally doing it for your viewing pleasure. Today's episode is about how to style wide leg crop jeans, pants. So with this, I would like to style for multiple different scenarios. Okay, so for the first look, the casual. I'm basically just gonna style this with a t-shirt, either do like a tuck or crop. If you throw on like a thick belt with just a simple t-shirt and then some cute sandals or sneakers, I mean, you're just effortlessly, casually chic. And who doesn't want to be that? The next one, my favorite, is cool. Yeah, this is like the look that you're gonna wear to like your friend's barbecue, where you just want to look absolutely fabulous, but you don't want to look like you tried. You kind of just want to roll up and be like, this is just how I look all the time. So, or steezy is kind of the other, one I like to use. Style with ease. When I'm trying to be cool, I always like to think, what's kind of unexpected, what's kind of a little bit surprising without being over the top, without being obnoxious. A tube top, fully tucked in, with a button-down t-shirt just kind of thrown over, fully unbuttoned, kind of exposed, almost like a little cardigan, with some, fierce platform sandals or heels. Summer weather, you can throw off the button top and really wow people with your shoulder action. There you go. Okay, the next one, classic. My favorite thing right now, the half tuck with the button down. This way you're still showing some of your waistline, which, for me is very important. Maybe you're going to work and you want, another layer. Just throw on a cotton linen blazer, just something super breathable. With having this blazer, leaving it open, it kind of just frames the look, at the same time keeping it classy. The nice thing about this look is it could easily be translatable as well. You could wear this to work with like a cute pair of, ankle boots, but then at the end of the day, kick off your boots and throw on a pair of platform sandals and be on your way to happy hour. The next one, the last one, dressy. I don't know if that makes me sound old when I say dressy. Like, I don't know if there's a better word for it. If there is, comment below and let me know, because I always just say dressy. For a dressy look with these wide leg crops, I would say just maybe throw on like a silk blouse. You could kind of go conservative with this by just fully buttoning up the blouse, or you could go a little bit more edgy and kind of button it further down, maybe expose a little bit of a lacy bra, whatever it may be. Maybe you have like a drop necklace. Then I would add like a little sprinkle of sass with like a leopard belt. Touch of detail that, again, is kind of unexpected. And for this look, you could do a platform sandal. Again, you can layer it up if you want by adding a blazer, maybe like a leather jacket or something. And you're off to the races. Those are 4 different looks or 4 different vibes that can be styled with the wide leg crop. So at least you can be wearing these in all sorts of different scenarios. Ultimately, just kind of ended on some broad styling notes. I'm always gonna say, keep it high-waisted when you got crop action going on. Keep that waistline. So that is styling wide leg crops with Emily Wheatley. I hope this was helpful. Comment below with any questions that you have, if there's anything else that you want to see. Otherwise, if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe for future weekly episodes posted every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.